Hello students, in this session we are going to study the overhang beam. What is a overhang beam? The beam whose end parts are extended beyond the supports, that beam is called overhang beam. Like this, suppose we have a simply supported beam like this. We have simply supported beam like this, and this part is overhanging. It is an extended beyond the supports. So this part is the overhang of the beam, and total we have saying that the beam is overhang beam, right? So overhang may be on one side or both sides. There may be chance that the overhang is on both sides of the supports. Overhang is on both sides of the supports, right? So this type of beam is called overhang beam, and there may be some forces, there may be some UDL and so on this type of beam, and that's why this is called overhang beam. So whatever the case, this type of loading may be there, or whatever loading is there. So the main thing is this part A to B is extended beyond the supports, right? And also here A to B as well as C to D, this is overhang, right? Extended beyond the supports. So this type of beam is called overhang beam. So what is overhang beam? The beam which has extended part beyond the supports, right? Beyond the support, like this, right? And the extended part may be on one side or on both sides of the beam. Both sides of the beam, extended part may be on one side or both sides of the beam. So we will coordinate it as the overhang beam, right? So while solving the problem for overhang beam, we have to first find the reactions as usual. So we have to find the reactions like this. Suppose this is RC and this is RA. Similarly, here the reaction will be RB, and here the reaction will be RC. So we have to take the moment about either B or C, and here also we have to take the moment about C or A, and then we have to find out the reaction for the overhang beam, right? So basically we have to use the equilibrium condition, static equilibrium condition, that the forces in x direction should be equal to 0. There is no force in x direction in this case, but this condition can be used whenever required. Sigma Fy will be equal to 0, means in vertical direction. So in vertical direction there may be some forces, like this is downward force, and UDL is, suppose this is the W kilonewtons per meter, and this is also given W1 kilonewton per meter. This is also given W2 kilonewton per meter. So whatever is given, so we have to find the forces in downward and upward direction, and some of the forces should be equal to 0, and some of the moment, resisting moment about hinge point or roller point should be equal to 0. So these three conditions should be satisfied for solving the reactions at the supports, right? So this is the case of overhang beam.